All right, so leaving church today. I hope you guys got to attend a good church service. And I was listening to someone else's podcast whenever I was driving to church. So I decided, whenever I get out of church, I'm going to go ahead and do this video because I think this is going to be important, and I think it's something a lot of you can relate to. And here it is. In January, by the way, we're only a week out of January, so these numbers are rolling in very quickly. I want to say maybe 108,000. Anyway, over 100,000 jobs were lost. Now, what does that mean? Basically, what that means is 108,000 paychecks disappear. So 108,000 paychecks that was processed through payroll across this country disappear. So that alone puts us at 1.2 million, but you and I both know it's going to be worse than that. We lost 1.2 million last year due to AI and automation, and you're just going to continue to see that trend. Why do I believe you're going to continue to see that trend? Because we're just getting introduced to AI. I know it's been around for just a handful of years, but it's really starting to have impact now. In fact, there's so much left for it. I know right now this company called Waymo they're doing the driverless cars. And they've had to take cars off the road, put them back on the road. There's been some issues. Listen, this is just the beginning. What's going to happen is eventually at some point, they're going to perfect that. Whether it's a year, whether it's 2 years, 5, I do not know. Eventually, at some point, they're going to perfect these cars. Okay. And by the way, I appreciate all the comments. Those of you leaving the cool comments down below, saying I'm hitting the nail on the head. I'm saying all the right things. I'm no fluff. This is real good content. That's all I'm trying to give. Again, I'm not telling you what to do. This is all based on what I've been through in my life, which my life for the most part sucked up until maybe 5 years ago when everything changed. And so I'm sharing with you the things I've learned so you don't have to go through that. You don't always have to go through these bad experiences. You can learn from someone else. I'd rather learn from someone else. And so that's why I do this channel. That's why I do this content. And so 100,000 plus jobs lost in January is probably only going to get worse. And the reason it is, like I said, there are companies out there who are still working to perfect AI and automation. They're having issues right now, but eventually at some point they're going to have this thing down and it's going to be good to go. And so when Waymo and other companies begin to perfect driverless cars, well, anyone who has any type of transportation or delivery job, you're not going to be needed. You're not going to be needed. It's just not going to happen. I could see the day where a delivery truck's going to pull up in a neighborhood and just drop things off at a warehouse. And then that warehouse, which is like catering to everything within a mile or 2 miles, 5 miles, just going to start using drones to drop everything off. And that's probably going to be the future of Amazon. Jeff Bezos, a smart guy, is probably already thinking about that. Right now, I go to Walmart. I can see drones lifting up out of the back of Walmart. I'm like, this is the future. I don't understand how people feel safe watching these things happen real time right in front of you, and you're still sitting there thinking your job's going to be safe. You may not have heard, but I did. If you know what Fiverr is a middleman company, a great example of a middleman company, by the way, quick plug. And Fiverr connects freelancers with customers or, people who need, or businesses who need freelance help. And they connect you with freelancers all over the world. So you can get really cheap work done for pennies on the dollar. You want a t-shirt design, might cost you $50 in the States, $10 on Fiverr. And so Fiverr's founder came out maybe sometime at the end of last year, and he said, we're not going to be around long. This is what he emailed to everyone associated with Fiverr, all of the freelancers. We're not going to be around long. AI is going to replace all of us. Now, this is the founder of a publicly traded, probably multi-billion-dollar company. And you know, if companies are publicly traded, the last thing they want is negative publicity. They certainly do not want the owner, the founder, coming out and saying, "Hey, we're not going to be around long. We're going to get wiped out by AI." I don't know how their stock performed after that, but you don't want that. You don't want that look. If you're holding shares, you're sitting there like, dude, shut up, okay? Shut up. Let them find out. Shut up until I sell this. Shut up. Let me get off these Fiverr shares first. And so you have to understand that, for someone like that who's really smart to come out, who's built a multi-billion-dollar middleman business, to come out and say, hey, the future is AI, it's going to replace all of us, then you need to take note. You need to be paying attention. You need to sit up, right? Straighten your back, straighten your posture, and start paying attention, because something's going down, right? And I don't want to be on the back end of something going down, on the something went down and I got left behind. I'd rather be on the front end where it looks like something's about to go down. It looks like some rain clouds, like literally, it looks like some rain clouds are forming. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm packing my umbrella. Well, what if it doesn't rain? I'll be prepared. I'll be prepared. I have this saying, I'd rather have and not need than to need and not have. Hello. And so I'm just like looking at this and going, this ain't going to take long for everyone out there who does any type of delivery job or transportation, like driving people around, Uber, Grubhub, uh, Lyft, those companies. Man, it's only a matter of time. It could be a year from now and you could all be gone. And so many people, millions and millions of drivers, depend on these extra incomes. Well, what's going to happen when you no longer have that as an extra income? See, I keep telling you, you need to be ahead of this. Don't look, you already see the rain clouds forming. This is not new to you. You're already watching it happen real time. You need to be prepared. You need to be moving in the right direction. You need to be thinking about your next move, your next 3, 4, 5 moves, honestly. Because I'm not taking any chances. That's why I love the middleman business model. Because when AI disrupts everything, it's not going to disrupt skilled labor jobs, because it can't do that. So I'll leave you with this. These layoffs are going to continue. And I'm not saying this to scare you. I don't have to come on here and say this at all. But I'm saying this to inform you, to wake you up so you can get prepared and do something before it's too late. Because yes, for 90%, it's going to be too late. And they're going to wait until it's too late. And it's going to be their fault. I don't want you to be in that position. That's why I'm doing this video on a Sunday morning after church. I'm going pick up my kids from the house, because the family didn't make it to church with me this morning. Went to the super early service. And we're about to head up to Frisco, in DFW, in Dallas, head up to Frisco, spend the day up there, having a good time, playing in the parks with the kids, shopping, driving around. We're going up there to check on the progress of the Universal Kids Studio that's supposed to be opening soon. So the kids get excited. They're 5 and almost 3. They can't wait for this. I can't wait either. I love that you don't have to travel to Orlando, but they pretty much bring Universal here. So we're going to check on the park, see if they're close to building. I'm excited about, the kids are excited about that. I'm excited about, if you ever been to Austin, they have this spot called the Domain. Amazing, off the chain. But here they're building, not Legacy West, that's beautiful, but the Fields project, which is, I cannot wait. It's retail, shopping, living. I cannot wait. And I'd like to buy a house there. And so we'll see. But I think the houses there probably start at like 1.2 million now, but I'd like to have one. So we might look at some model houses or something today. But anyway, just doing this video. Hit subscribe, hit thumbs up if you don't mind. Just sharing this with you so that you can be prepared. There are some hard times coming. You don't have to sit back and suffer and be a victim. Most people will, because they're lazy, mentally, physically. They don't really want to accomplish what they say. They live their lie identity, what people told them they were, as opposed to what God told you were, your real identity. And they're going to get left behind. You don't have to get left behind. I know it's frustrating sometimes. I know it's hard. Keep putting one foot in front of the other. Keep taking steps. Keep making progress. Eventually, at some point, this seed is going to grow a root. It's going to break through the ground, and it's going to produce fruit. You don't always control the timeline. Okay? Just keep watering that seed. I promise you it's going to produce. The ground knows its responsibility. The seed knows what to do. You just have to help it. Keep doing that. I promise you it's going to work out. Hit subscribe, hit thumbs up. Welcome to the channel. Layoffs are coming. Mass firings. Please don't get caught. Hopefully you can keep your job as long as you can, but I wouldn't bet on it. I'd be taking care of myself. I'd be preparing. Okay? See you on the next video, guys. Peace.